how to change your Afterpay password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your afterpay.com, and then from there what you can do is simply log into your account, right? You can even use the application version of it if you want to. Either way, make sure that you are logged into your account. When you tap on that profile icon, you'll get into your login page, and in here write in all of the credentials of your account, then log into your account. Then after logging in, you can now select the account on the bottom right on the app, and then from there on the top right if you are using the web, and then from there on the top right corner tap on account. Then you can get into settings and then get into security, right? So tap on settings and get into security. After doing that, you can now tap on the option change password. So after tapping on change password, you will now be able to input all of your existing password followed by your new password, and then you can tap on save, and just like that you'll successfully be able to change your Afterpay password. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.